Welcome back. In this video, we'll walk you through selecting the pricing plan in WAvixo, helping you find the perfect fit based on your message volume and business requirement. Let's begin. Once you have joined your number, your account will be automatically on the free plan since you are a new user. To upgrade, simply head over to the plan section. Here you will see all the available plans laid out for you, along with the features included in each one. Take a moment to review them and choose the plan that best fits your need. When you are ready, click on this green switch button. This will take you to the payment gateway. Click on Start Subscription. You will see two payment options. You can proceed with either card or UPI. If you want to use UPI, click on Show QR and a QR code will appear. Just scan it with your UPI app like PhonePe, Google Pay, Paytm and complete the payment. If you prefer to pay by card, enter your card number, expiry date, cardholder name and CVV. You can also choose to save your card for future transactions. Then click on Pay Now. An OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number. Enter it over here, verify and complete the payment. Once that's done, come back to this page and refresh it once. That's it, your account now will be updated to the plan you have selected. Excellent, you have successfully chosen your plan and unlocked your message capacity. Want to get started with campaign? Visit WAvixo.io to start your free plan.